How you doing, everybody, and welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, and this is Tuesday's 2-minute tip, how to add highlights and shadows to your artwork. So in today's 2-minute tip, there's only 4 things that you have to know about adding highlights and shadows to your artwork. Those things are highlights, midtone, core shadow, and cast shadow. So let's review each of those one at a time. The first thing is to determine where is your light source. So let's make our light source in the upper left-hand corner. And then this light is going to be striking our object from the left side. So as light is striking our object, we want to create our highlight. So the highlight is going to be the brightest part of your object. The next thing you're going to need to know and add is your midtone. Now the midtone is going to be an even tone all across your object. So you have your highlight, your midtone. Now we're going to go to your core shadow. Your core shadow is going to be the darkest part of your object. And following the contour of your object here, this is going to be your core shadow. And depending on how smooth the surface is, will determine how thick or thin that core shadow is. The last shadow is your cast shadow. The cast shadow is just like the shadow that you project on the ground when the sun's hitting you. So the sharpest edges of your cast shadow are going to be closest to your object, and then it's going to soften as it goes into the distance. So right on the edge, where it's closest to the object, is going to be your crispest edge. And then of course you just smooth everything out. But those are the 4 values that you need to create highlights and shadows to your artwork. Your highlight, your midtone, your core shadow, and your cast shadow. And that's today's 2-minute tip for Tuesday, how to create highlights and shadows to your artwork. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you strike that like button. And if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And then let us know in the comments section below. What 2-minute tip would you like me to address next? Until next time, guys, remember your ABCs. Always be creating. Make it a great day, everybody, and stay tuned for more videos. Arigato!